Amazing parents! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle one of the most soothing techniques for newborns, swaddling. Swaddling can help your baby feel secure, sleep better, and reduce fussiness. In this video, I'll walk you through a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to swaddle your newborn safely and effectively. Let's get started. Swaddling a newborn is an age-old practice that can help your baby feel secure, reduce the startle reflex, and promote better sleep. Here's a detailed and elaborative step-by-step guide to swaddling your baby properly. Benefits of swaddling. Before we dive into the steps, let's briefly touch on why swaddling is beneficial. Security. Mimics the snugness of the womb, helping your baby feel safe and secure. Sleep. Can reduce the startle reflex, which often wakes babies up, thus promoting longer sleep. Calming. Helps soothe and calm fussy babies by restricting their movements. Materials needed. Swaddle blanket. A lightweight, breathable blanket, preferably a swaddle-specific blanket with a slight stretch. Flat surface. A safe, flat surface such as a changing table or bed. Now let's look at the step-by-step swaddling guide. 1. Lay out the blanket. Spread the blanket out flat, positioning it in a diamond shape, with one corner pointing up. 2. Fold down the top corner. Fold the top corner of the blanket down about 6 inches to create a straight edge. This will form the space where your baby's head will rest. 3. Position your baby. Place your baby on their back in the center of the blanket with their neck aligned with the folded edge. Ensure their shoulders are slightly below the fold to allow for proper swaddling around their body. 4. Tuck the left side. Take the left corner of the blanket and wrap it over your baby's body, tucking it snugly beneath their right arm and back. Your baby's left arm should be straight down at their side, wrapped within the blanket. 5. Fold up the bottom. Bring the bottom corner of the blanket up over your baby's feet, tucking it behind their shoulders or on their side. Ensure there's enough room for your baby's legs to move and bend at the hips, promoting healthy hip development. 6. Secure the right side. Take the right corner of the blanket and wrap it over your baby's body, tucking it under their left arm and back. Your baby's right arm should now be straight down at their side, wrapped within the blanket. 7. Check for tightness and comfort. Ensure the swaddle is snug but not too tight. You should be able to slip 2 fingers between the swaddle and your baby's chest to ensure they can breathe comfortably. Make sure the hips and legs have some room to move, preventing any risk of hip dysplasia. 8. Final adjustments. Adjust the swaddle to ensure it's secure and your baby's face is visible and not covered by the blanket. Ensure the blanket is tucked in well enough that it won't come loose during sleep. Tips for successful swaddling. 1. Temperature regulation. Use a lightweight, breathable fabric to prevent overheating. Monitor your baby's temperature and adjust their clothing and swaddle accordingly. 2. Swaddle alternatives. If you find traditional swaddling challenging, consider using swaddle sacks or wraps designed to simplify the process. 3. Swaddling duration. Swaddling is generally recommended for the first few months of your baby's life. Once your baby shows signs of rolling over, usually around 3-4 months, it's time to stop swaddling to ensure their safety. When to avoid swaddling. 1. Rolling over. Once your baby starts attempting to roll over, discontinue swaddling to reduce the risk of suffocation. 2. Hip dysplasia. Ensure you're swaddling in a way that allows free movement of the hips and legs to prevent hip dysplasia. 3. Safety concerns. Always place your swaddled baby on their back to sleep. Never place a swaddled baby on their stomach or side, as this increases the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. Conclusion. Swaddling can be a wonderful way to help your newborn feel secure and sleep better. By following these detailed steps and tips, you can master the art of swaddling and provide a comforting, safe environment for your little one. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this swaddling guide helpful and that it makes bedtime a bit easier for you and your baby. Remember, the key to successful swaddling is making sure it's snug but not too tight, and always placing your baby on their back to sleep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful parenting tips. Share your experiences or ask any questions in the comments below. Happy swaddling, and sweet dreams to you and your little one.